Can I help you?
I'm Raven. Principal told me I should be in this class.
Are you sure you're in the right school? The one for problematic kids is right across the street.
You know, as a teacher, you are very quick to judge people. You don't even know me.
If you're such a know-it-all, I'm gonna give you a riddle. In fact, let's make this riddle for everyone. Whoever can solve it won't need to do your final assignment. I'll take your answers on Friday.
Ugh. Why do we always have to sit next to weirdos?
Don't be rude, Leia.
The fertile waters giving birth and catching those who melt in sun. His hands are stained in brother's blood, a son sent out to curse the one he loved. The answer is only one word. Good luck.